Hello everybody. I just wanted to say that there will be no stream today. Sadly, no Horror Friday because I messed up a bit. Well, this morning I started printing 3D printing this model of Shambler I made. The slicer, the estimated time is 10 hours and 15 minutes. And it's already printing for 11 hours, and I have something it printed to this point, more or less, and so I'm guessing it will take another 10 hours of printing. I hope it will finish sooner, but since I have this really cheap printer, yeah. So actually I took the model from the game, from the Quake 1 remastered version, and by using Rigify, I rigged it and made a pose. Come on. Actually, maybe I should do something like that. Anyway, so I posted. Then I applied the pose, and I started sculpting. What's wrong? And started sculpting this. Let me just show you real quick. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I smoothed it. Like that. Of course, the teeth, the jaws. Lost the details, so I had to add new teeth, and this is how it looks like. I'm not happy about this part, especially the fur, but actually I was just testing and testing these what is it called, sculpting fur sculpting brush. Yeah, that's how it came out. Not the best, but we will see how it comes out when it's done printing. And yeah, no stream today because maybe you can hear the printer working there, and I don't want that in my stream. So see you in the next video. Bye.